important. We are dealing with the abnormal movements. So in case you see any abnormal movements, you can diagnose with these features. So first we are going to look at the intentional tremors. So what is meant by the intentional tremors? So here in intentional tremors, the site, if you see, the site is nothing but the cerebellum. Cerebellum is the site. Next, what is the description of this? It is only on activity. It is only on the activity. Next, what are the causes of this intentional tremor? So the intentional tremors, you can see it in case of trauma, you can see it in case of stroke, or you can see it in case of alcohol, or even in case of the drugs. Next, we will see something known as the resting tremors. So what is meant by resting tremors? So in resting tremors, the site, if you see, it is nothing but the substantia. The substantia nigra is the symptom, and site and as well as the red. This is all resting tremors. Substantia nigra as well as the red nucleus. So the explanation here is that it disappears on the movement. So it disappears on movement. So what are the causes of this resting tremors? So resting tremors are seen in case of the Parkinsonism. In Parkinsonism, you see something known as the resting tremor. Next, we'll look at the hyperkinetic tremors. The hyperkinetic tremors. So under the hyperkinetic tremors, the site, if you see, it is a sympathetic overactivity. There is sympathetic overactivity. So there is sympathetic overactivity. So what is the description of this? It is precipitated by emotional stress. It is precipitated by the emotional stress. And what are the causes of this? The cause of hyperkinetic tremors, it can be due to the anxiety. So anxiety can be the reason, as well as the hyperthyroidism.